We are still factoring on page 1 of our solving polynomials packet. And let's start by labeling A, B, and C. 3 times 16 is 48. And we're going to list all the factors. 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, and 6 times 8. And what we're looking for is, will any of these add or subtract to be 2? And we can get 2 from 6 and 8. And we can have 6 minus 8, or we can have 8 minus 6. 6 minus 8 is negative 2, and 8 minus 6 is positive 2. We need negative 2. So when we fill this back in, it's 3x to the 4th plus 6x squared. Again, remember that our terms here have to be the same as what the middle term is, minus 8x squared minus 16. And that leads us to our grouping here. And the biggest number that divides into 3 and 6 is 3. Between x to the 4th and x squared, it's going to be the lowest exponent. We had 4 x's. We took out 2 of them. We still have 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. We had 2 x's, but we took them both out. In our next group, the biggest number that divides into both is 8. Negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1. X squared, we didn't do anything with the x squared. Negative 16 divided by negative 8 is positive 2. And what we've got is we've got x squared plus 2 in both groups. And then we have 3x squared minus 8. Last problem on the factoring notes, the lesson A factoring notes here. A, B, C. We're going to multiply A times C. 7 times 3 is 21. We've got the factors of 1 and 21 and 3 and 7. That's all there are. Will either one of those add or subtract to be 20? And we can get 20 from 1 and 21. We can do 1 minus 21, which equals negative 20. Or we can do 21 minus 1, which is positive 20. And that's what we want. We want positive 20. So we're going to go back and we're going to write down the first term and the last term, and we're going to split the middle with plus 21x squared minus 1x squared, and then we'll group. And as we group, the biggest number that divides into both is 7. Between x to the 4th and x squared, it's x squared. 7 divided by 7 is 1. We had 4 x's. We took out 2. We've got 2. 21 divided by 7 is 3. We had 2 x's. We took them out. Be careful over here. The biggest number that divides into 1 and 3 is 1. But the reason that I say be careful is because of this negative right here. But negative 1 divided by negative 1 is positive 1 x squared. Negative 3 divided by negative 1 is positive 3. And now we can finish this problem with x squared plus 3, the same value in each group, and then 7x squared minus 1.